Excuse me, do you speak English? Where's Karina? I don't know. What's funny? Why are you laughing? What does your sister do? She's a dentist. It is raining. I don't want to go out in the rain. Where do you come from? Canada. How much does it cost to send a letter to Canada? Steve is a good tennis player, but he doesn't play very often. Listen. Somebody is singing. Sarah is tired. She wants to go home now. It's late. I am going home now. How often do you read a newspaper? Excuse me, but you are sitting in my place. Oh, I'm sorry. I'm sorry, I don't understand. Can you speak more slowly? You can turn off the radio. I'm not listening to it. Where's Tana? In the kitchen. She is cooking something. Sue doesn't like coffee. She prefers tea. I don't understand. What do you mean? Take an umbrella with you. It's raining. What is he doing? He is cleaning a window. Is she driving a bus? No, she isn't. Do they teach? Yes, they do. Does he drive a bus? Yes, he does. Jack is not playing the guitar now?